Have you ever wondered why some people just seem to hold all the power? They walk into a room and everyone listens. They say something and everyone follows. क्या secret है इनके पास? Let me tell you something that most people don't know. Power isn't just about money or position. It's about playing the right rules. And today, we're going to uncover 10 hidden rules of power that will help you live with confidence, upgrade your personality, and take charge of your life. From relationships to your career, these rules can completely change how people see you. Ready to transform yourself? Let's dive into the first rule: never outshine the master. Rule 1: never outshine the master. Let's break this down. People in power, whether it's your boss, teacher, or even a mentor, love feeling important. The moment they feel you're smarter, better, or more capable, they'll see you as a threat. Here's an example. You're at work, and your boss presents an idea during a meeting. You immediately jump in to add your points, overshadowing their moment. To you, it might seem like teamwork, but to them, it's competition. You've unintentionally made them insecure. Why does this happen? Because everyone wants to feel respected and valued, especially those in positions of authority. How to avoid this? Compliment their strengths. Say things like, "I really appreciate how you handled that problem." It makes them feel secure. Share the spotlight. When praised, deflect some credit back to them. For example, "I couldn't have done it without their guidance." Let them take the lead. Hold back sometimes and let them shine. Think of it this way. अगर आपका बॉस हीरो है, तो आपको साइडकिक बनना पड़ेगा, not the villain. This rule isn't just for work. It applies to personal life too. But let's move on to rule number 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Rule 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Friends are amazing. They're your support system, your cheerleaders. But here's a harsh reality. Not every friend has your best interests at heart. Why shouldn't you trust blindly? Jealousy creeps in. Your success might unintentionally spark envy. Example, you land your dream job, and instead of celebrating with you, your friend starts making snarky comments like, "Let's see how long this lasts." Entitlement issues. Sometimes, friends feel entitled to your time, money, or even ideas. If you refuse, it can sour the relationship. Gossip alert. Friends who gossip about others will likely gossip about you too. How to manage this? Share selectively. Every friend doesn't need to know every detail of your life. Set clear boundaries. Respect your privacy and theirs. Trust actions over words. Observe how they behave, especially in tough times. आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में कोई गॉसिप क्वीन है? Chances are, आप उनका नेक्स्ट टॉपिक बन सकते हो. Next, let's talk about the importance of keeping your plans private. Conceal your intentions. Rule 3. Conceal your intentions. Here's a secret. When people know your plans, they start plotting against you. The less they know, the more unpredictable you are. And unpredictability, that's power. Why is this important? Transparency makes you vulnerable. If people know your next move, they can block it. Curiosity builds interest. When you're secretive, people pay more attention to what you're doing. How to conceal your intentions? Be vague. If someone asks, "What's your next big plan?" respond with something like, "I'm exploring a few ideas." Control your words. Talk less. Listen more. Surprise them. Deliver results without announcing your plans. सोच समझ कर बात करो. अगर आप सब कुछ बता दोगे, तो सस्पेंस कैसे बनेगा? Speaking of words, let's discuss why sometimes less is more. Rule 4. Always say less than necessary. Words can be powerful, but too many words? That's dangerous. Here's why. Talking too much makes you appear nervous or unsure. You might accidentally reveal something you didn't intend to. The golden rule? Speak when it adds value, not just to fill silence. How to practice this? Pause before you speak. This gives you time to think. Keep your sentences short and impactful. Master the art of listening. People will respect you more when they feel heard. और याद रखो, silence awkward नहीं है. It's a power move. Now, let's move to one of the most critical rules. Guard your reputation at all costs. Rule 5. Guard your reputation at all costs. Your reputation is your personal brand. Lose it, and it's almost impossible to rebuild. Why does reputation matter? People judge you based on what they hear. A strong reputation opens doors to opportunities. How to protect it? Be consistent. Let your actions match your words. Avoid unnecessary conflicts. They can tarnish your image. Stay away from gossip. It reflects poorly on your character. Think of your reputation as a shield, strong, unbreakable, and always ready. And speaking of shields, let's talk about the ultimate attention-grabbing rule. Court attention at all costs. 6. Court attention at all costs. Title: Stand out or fade away. How to command attention. Key concept: visibility equals power. If no one notices you, it's as if you don't exist. Whether in your career or social life, commanding attention is crucial to establishing your presence and staying relevant. Why this matters? People are naturally drawn to what stands out. If you fade into the background, your ideas, talents, or even your worth may go unnoticed. Being overlooked leads to insignificance, which can prevent you from achieving your goals. How to command attention. Create memorable moments. Stand out in meetings by sharing unique perspectives. In personal relationships, celebrate milestones with flair. Example: Steve Jobs' product launches weren't just about the products. They were about the experience. Dress and act with intent. Dress sharply and carry yourself confidently. A striking appearance can grab attention instantly. Example: in a crowded room, the person with vibrant colors or a unique accessory is often the one remembered. Be bold, but don't overdo it. Bold actions draw attention, but over-the-top gestures can come across as desperate. Strike a balance. Remember, being noticeable doesn't mean turning into a walking advertisement. Stand out, but stay classy. 7. Get others to do the work, but take the credit. Title: Work smart, not hard. Leverage others for success. Key concept: power isn't about doing everything yourself. It's about getting others to contribute to your vision while ensuring the spotlight stays on you. Why this works? Delegating allows you to conserve energy and focus on strategy. You position yourself as a leader while showcasing the results. How to apply this rule? Identify strengths in others. Recognize who can execute tasks more effectively. Example: if someone on your team is a data wizard, let them handle analytics while you focus on presenting the findings. Acknowledge contributions publicly, but lead the narrative. In group settings, acknowledge the team's effort, but frame the success around your leadership. Example: this project was a team effort, but I ensured we stayed aligned with our vision. Focus on delegation, not exploitation. This rule isn't about being lazy. It's about allocating tasks so everyone's strengths shine while you maintain control over the outcome. Work smart, not so hard that you're the only one sweating in a room full of chilled out people. 8. Play on people's fantasies. Title: The Art of Manipulating Dreams for Influence. Key concept: people don't live for logic, they live for their dreams. Tapping into their fantasies can make them loyal followers or eager supporters. Why this matters? Harsh realities often demotivate people. Offering them a vision of what could be inspires hope and action. Fantasy is a powerful motivator, whether in personal relationships, sales, or leadership. How to use this rule? Understand their desires. Listen carefully to understand what people want. Example: a salesperson who pitches a product as a solution to someone's dream lifestyle will always sell more. Create a compelling vision. Speak to the emotions behind the fantasy. Instead of selling a product, sell the lifestyle or feeling it represents. Example: luxury brands don't sell clothes, they sell status and aspiration. Blend fantasy with reality. Keep promises realistic, but sprinkle them with the allure of possibility. Remember, people buy dreams, not the boring manual that comes with it. 9. Crush your enemy totally. Title: Leave no room for revenge. The law of total victory. Key concept: partial victories leave room for retaliation. To truly neutralize threats, you must eliminate them completely. Why this matters? Mercy can often be perceived as weakness, encouraging enemies to regroup and strike back. Complete dominance ensures they won't return to challenge you. How to crush your enemies completely? Identify the real enemy. Focus on those who pose genuine threats, not minor rivals. Example: in a business setting, prioritize neutralizing competitors who can outdo you in the market. Eliminate their strengths. Disarm their resources or networks. Cut off their ability to fight back. Example: in sports, dominating both the offense and defense ensures total victory. Avoid emotional warfare. Be strategic, not impulsive. Revenge based on emotion often leads to collateral damage. Example: in a conflict, calmly dismantle their argument rather than engaging in a heated debate. Crushing an enemy isn't about violence. It's about ensuring you walk away untouchable. 10. Plan all the way to the end. Title: Why winners always think 10 steps ahead. Key concept: success isn't just about starting strong, it's about finishing strong. Always have a clear vision of your ultimate goal. Why this matters? Short-term victories can become long-term failures without proper planning. Anticipating obstacles helps you avoid surprises and stay in control. How to plan effectively? Visualize the outcome. Start with the end in mind. Ask yourself, what does success look like? Example: a chess player always thinks several moves ahead. Break it down into steps. Work backward from your goal and create actionable milestones. Example: if your goal is to become a public speaker, start by joining small workshops before aiming for TEDx. Prepare for contingencies. Always have a backup plan. If one path fails, pivot quickly. Remember, a dream without a plan is just a wish. Are you dreaming or are you winning? These 10 rules aren't just strategies. They're your blueprint for living a confident, powerful life. From commanding attention to planning your success, each rule helps you navigate the challenges of modern life with grace and intelligence. But what happens when your biggest threats aren't friends but enemies? Believe it or not, enemies can be your greatest allies if you know how to use them. Curious? Check out my next video. Learn how to use enemies. और हाँ, वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना. Let's grow and glow together. See you in the next one.